Welcome to QUOC. In today's video, we would like to introduce the 4-spindle CNC router with dual working tables, a solution widely used by export-oriented woodworking factories and large-scale furniture manufacturers. The machine is equipped with 4 spindles, each rated at 6 kilowatts, allowing flexible machining on various materials such as HDF, MDF, plywood, and solid wood. The advantage of the 4-spindle configuration is not only power, but also tool flexibility. Each spindle can be set with different tools, enabling cutting, milling, drilling, and profiling to be completed in one continuous process without stopping the machine for tool changes. The dual working table system, with each table sized 1300 by 2500 millimeters, meets common industrial production standards. While one table is processing, the other can be loaded and prepared, allowing continuous operation in minimizing idle time. As a result, overall productivity can increase by approximately 30 to 50%, depending on the application. Thanks to this design, one operator can efficiently manage the entire machine, helping manufacturers reduce labor requirements, especially in periods of skilled labor shortages. Customers choose QUOC's dual-table CNC routers primarily for their reliable component quality. The machines are built with control systems and motors from well-known brands, ensuring stable performance for long, continuous operating hours. This helps reduce long-term maintenance costs and unexpected downtime costs. In addition, QUOC brings over 23 years of experience in the woodworking machinery industry. We do not simply sell machines, we provide solutions tailored to each customer's factory layout, production scale, and investment budget. Another key factor is our after-sales service. Our technical support team is always ready to respond quickly, ensuring that customers' production lines operate smoothly with minimal interruption. Over the years, this dual-table CNC router has proven to be a reliable solution for factories expanding capacity, mass production workshops, and export manufacturers seeking higher productivity without significantly increasing labor. Investing in a QUOC dual-table CNC router means investing in efficient, stable, and sustainable production. Please contact QUOC or visit quocduy.com.vn to receive detailed consultation and see the machine in operation.